Concluding the one-day state visit to the United Kingdom, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has lauded the visit as important. Taking to the social media, PM Modi expressed his heartfelt gratitude to Prime Minister Keir Starmer and the UK government and the people of the United Kingdom for their warmth. Prime Minister assured that the outcome of this visit will benefit India and the UK's future generation and contribute to the shared growth and prosperity. During his one-day visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also signed the landmark India-UK Free Trade Deal and Agreement, met with the King Charles and III and also interacted with the Indian diaspora and the community there. Let's take a look at the highlight of the Prime Minister's visit.
हमारे संबंधों में एक ऐतिहासिक दिवस है। मुझे प्रसन्नता है कि कई वर्षों की मेहनत के बाद आज दोनों देशों के बीच कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इकोनॉमिक एंड ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट संपन्न हुआ है।
This is the biggest and most economically significant trade deal that the UK has made since leaving the EU. That it's one of the most comprehensive deals that India has ever done. So thank you, Prime Minister, for your leadership and for your pragmatism.
यह समझौता मात्र आर्थिक साझेदारी नहीं, बल्कि साझा समृद्धि की योजना है। इसे दोनों के सर्विस सेक्टर, विशेषकर टेक्नोलॉजी और फाइनेंस के उसको एक नई ऊर्जा मिलेगी। ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस को गति मिलेगी, कॉस्ट ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस घटेगा और कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस बढ़ेगा। हम एक मत है कि आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई में दोहरे मापदंडों का कोई स्थान नहीं है। हम इस बात पर भी सहमत है कि एक्सट्रीमिस्ट विचारधारा वाली शक्तियों को डेमोक्रेटिक फ्रीडम का दुरुपयोग नहीं करने दिया जा सकता। Those who misuse democratic freedoms to undermine democracy itself must be held accountable. For both of us, cricket is not just a game, but a passion and also a great metaphor for our partnership. There may be a swing and a miss at times, but we always play with a straight bat. We are committed to building high-scoring, solid partnerships.